Buy programming language. Look inside. See. When you spent most of your life investing in your developer skills and career but you're starting to hate technology. This is fine. Forgive me. I lied everything for the sake of my career. I do not know any C++. Please let me go. Select finger from hand where ID equals 3. Rust, you can't defeat me. Memory safety violations. I know. But he can. For our compile time. When you realize the bug wasn't in your code, but in your brain. Where did you two meet? Windows users. At the office. Mac users. At Starbucks. Linux users. GitHub. My code doesn't work. Let's change nothing and run it again. Brothers and sisters are natural enemies. Like developers and clients. Or developers and managers. Or developers and product owners. Or developers and other developers. Damn developers. They ruined programming. I don't know why we use foo and bar in examples. And at this point I'm too afraid to ask. Which of the following is not a form of malware? Trojans. Viruses. Users. Worms. Chromium fork or something. I don't know, I'm not a programmer. What are you doing? Debugging. Gotcha. Real problem. Osht. When you finally read the documentation. When part of your code doesn't work so you replace it with code you found from Stack Overflow. You finish writing a new feature. There's no syntax highlighting. Programmer. First. Code I wrote to make it work. Second. Code I pushed to Git. I want fully automated. Are there any rules? No, sometimes it's like this or like that. So how can I automate it? That's your problem, not mine. You liked Anna's photo. Will you reconfigure my backend? It needs optimization. How do developers overthink? What if? What else if? What else? Someone mentions a ticket. It's in the right column. The details are well defined. They actually read it before starting. I didn't steal your code. I discovered it. The test cases failed. The test cases failed. Next release is production ready. All you do is cut and paste code to make 80,000. Then why can't you do it? When I don't get the answer I wanted from ChatGPT, I'm once again asking. Explain the problem to ChatGPT. Consult the rubber duck. When you ask backend developer to make frontend. C++. This is my favorite language. I could give you my word as an engineer. No good. I've known too many engineers. Compilers took my job. Bug. Working on resource stuff. New push to TF. This corner radius thing won't fix. I can't get this corner radius to work, mon. Getting closer. Fixed it. It's time for you to look inward and start asking yourself the big questions. Why did I write this function yesterday? Didn't read the documentation. There are only two programming jokes. Tell the one about recursion. Tell the one about regular expressions. Tell the one about off by one errors. Types of headache. Migraine. Hypertension. Stress. C uses LSRA. ls is not recognized as an internal or external command, operational program or batch file. Rust devs have been here. How can you tell? 500 plus comments in a Go thread. Your opinion. VS Code Day is starting soon. Someone already commented Vim is better. What if you wanted to live a happy life, but God said, you shall make an OS that supports only 640 by 480 with 16 colors and fight the CIA while making it. Gentlemen, it is with my greatest pleasure to inform you that I got my first make the logo bigger task today. When your method was wrong but the answer was right. Do you have any history of mental illness in your family? I have a brother who believes Rust will completely replace C and C++ in the future. Yes, I do comment my code. How did you know? r/cs career questions. r/suicide watch. Birthday MMDDYY. People starring my projects. Me creating a complete mess with no idea what I am doing. When you decide that a team lead is not needed, you take care of the back end. And I'll take care of the front end. A month later. Me searching for help with Java. Google autofilling JavaScript every time. You accidentally push to production a debug print one, and everyone loses their mind. We have conducted a survey to check if our customers are satisfied with our new design changes. They love it. Push the button if you're not satisfied with the new design changes. Using a JS debugger. Window alert breakpoint. Waiting for all the customers to migrate to new platform so I can retire legacy services. Sold. Requested after first meeting. Delivered. When Copilot keeps recommending something different from what you're doing. Something's wrong, I can feel it. American. Color equals 99 FFAA. British. Color equals 99 FFAA. Spanish. Color equals 99 FFAA. French. Color equals 4 times 20 plus 10 plus 9 FFAA. Client. What is going on with my website? It looks all wrong. Me. It was working just fine yesterday. Let's take a look. Us. Let's take a look. We download a page and check out the code. Well, it looks as if someone's gone in and deleted some of the code that makes the site work. Client. Yeah, that was me. I was getting rid of some of your unnecessary code. Why isn't the site working? Thanks for taking the first step to accelerate your career as a software engineer, Python. We really mean that. We know there are thousands of companies hiring right now, and we are thrilled that you've identified Klarna as a place you'd like to bring your skills and experience to. Are these thousands of companies that are hiring here in the room with us? Finding bugs and giving advice on someone else's code during code reviews. Trying to find a bug on my own code. What users think I do. What I actually do. Medical degree students. This is horrible. I just want to be a doctor. Why do we have to learn so much? At least the pay is good when we graduate. Computer scientists. Allocate current knowledge to temp storage. Don't forget to save metadata permanently in your mind. Okay. When you're not the right person for the job but your boss makes you do it anyway. Errors 404 and 403 went voting. 404 voted for Donald Trump. And 403 forbidden. Just because I like Java doesn't mean I'm bad at memory management. I mean, I'm bad at memory management, but not because I like Java. Reality. Google. Convert double to int Java. Versus LinkedIn. Certified developer. 5 Java certifications. 9 AWS certifications. 8 Microsoft certifications. 7 SAP certifications. When the clients say I don't like the design, but when you ask them what's wrong, they say just make it nicer perhaps. I time my head out. Your 30-line code has 45 errors. Panic. They are just internal library errors. Calm. They are just internal library errors. Panic. We need more people like this. Any experience? No sir. I hope you will gain some here. You're hired. Python lists, remember what you did to them. Python lists. Me. When you try googling how to do something in plain C, C++, C#, Objective-C, allow us to introduce ourselves. All that the light touches is our codebase. But what's that shadowy place over there? That is an Angular/Node stack we render in an iframe. My code is working. Let me refactor it. 258 bugs found. Never ask a woman her age. A man. His salary. A machine learning engineer. How he created a print detector. Ask a programmer to review 10 lines of code. He'll find 10 issues. Ask him to do 500 lines and he'll say it looks good. You obfuscate your code to make piracy and reverse engineering more difficult. I obfuscate my code so nobody can see how incomprehensible it was to start with. We are not the same. Certification QA testing. Unmedicated ADHD. TypeScript type system. Python type system. My organization. Visual Studio. PyCharm. When the code tutorial I'm following deletes the code I spent 10 minutes doing. My computer has 8 GB RAM. Electron developers. It's free real estate. Int pointer. Int. Using Gmail. Using Proton Mail. Hosting an email server on a VPS. Self-hosting an email server on your own hardware. Self-hosting an email server and backing it up on Google Drive. Helping the senior dev unfuck repo after pushing my unholy rebase mess. Compiles a project. Compiler. Error on line 354. Compiles again for no reason. Compiler. Who? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more memes. Thanks for watching.